everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm at home today filming intros and outros. What you're about to watch is part one of a two-part series. I wasn't going to show this part of the video because I wasn't happy with the quality of certain aspects of it, but I felt that the creation of it was kind of important for you to see. I am on a real kick of using nothing but transparent colors. So there's only 3 colors plus 1 opaque. And I'm going to do a bloom. And then in the next video in a few days, I'm going to modify the hell out of this bloom. So I hope you enjoy the little creation portion. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Enjoy the video. It's going to kill off this can. Give that a little spin. Whoops. Spread that petal out a little bit. All right, let's just try the colors in the traditional way. Because part of this, I forgot to mention, besides playing with all transparent, is practice on a smaller canvas for a larger one. So there's the hewn egg, my gold, magenta, and teal. And then let's try the Tri-Art CA and just blow it out like normal. Oops, kind of off camera, huh? Sorry, guys. Here goes. Good grief. We're not get the Tri-Art, y'all. The cells are so crisp. Man, oh man, oh man. I think I'm going to do a combo of spin and tilt on this. Just try to get to the corners. All right, Karen, give it a spin for crying out loud. One more should do it. I'm trying to get off this corner here. Maybe I'll just leave it. I don't want any more paint to come off here. So let's tilt instead. And then you can tip it off that way. You guys see? Yeah. And then bring it down. Kind of like the quiet area at the bottom though. Not a fan of that bikini corner up there. Or this corner here. Let me tilt downward a little bit and then give a spin. And some of this and that over there should come off. This is 12 by 16, by the way, if I didn't say. So, at least the CA is a success. Man, it's amazing. All right. Make sure I got clearance. Every time I spin now on my tabletop, I spin and then I jump back for some strange reason. Because it's never going to get me. But I do it anyway. Ready? There's so much paint on my table. Ooh, that was... I'm missing a stopper, I think, for my spinner. Yeah, do you see it move? But a bunch of paint flew off, so that's good. And the one corner is almost done. Maybe that's my problem. Where is my one stopper? I'm missing a stopper for one of the arms. Is it this guy? Is it you? Yeah, it's you. You're not touching. You're back too far. All right, let me keep going. Yeah, see, I want to tilt again because it's losing stuff I don't want it to lose at this other end. We're just going to hold it here for a second. This is balancing everything out. I'm going to have wonky lines on the sides, the long sides, but that's okay. That's what a spin is for. And then I'll tell you my thoughts. Yeah, I want this thing off. Oh my God, what do I have to do to get that off? Go. Go. It's still not coming off, that little pink part. It's like my wonky sides are just about fixed. It's going to bug me. Oh my God, what do I have to do to get that off? I'm going to have to, like, I don't know. I'm going to have to throw Virgin into a volcano or something, because it's almost there. Hold on. There's like a spot there in that corner, because you know how picky I am, right? Like hella picky. So let me go. Did the corner come off yet? No. All right, I think that might have done it. It might help if I have my canvas centered on the spinner too. I think that's close enough, y'all. I lost some pretty cells on that last one that are rolling down the sides. Let me stare. Yeah, I'm going to leave that little bit of color because it's quiet down there. And I think if that was all white, it would be too much negative space. Yeah, giant thumbs up for the Tri-Art Cell Activator. Holy good grief. Now you saw me tilt this and spin it, and the cells are still, I mean, they've gotten big, they've gotten stretched out, but they are so crisp. So crisp. Just totally amazed. Holy heck. Yep, I'm going to clean up my hands, get you guys down for a close-up of this guy. Hold on. All right, guys, here's a close-up of the wet results. Check out the cells. Tri-Art for the Windman, just everywhere. And you saw, like, these are all, like, stretched out and spun and, you know, and they're still super crisp. Crispy. I kind of like it with that at the top and this at the bottom. We'll see how it dries. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back with the dry results of this one. Super duper happy with it though. The transparent colors and the color blending from three transparent colors plus an opaque just creates spectacular results in my opinion. Sorry for the airplane flying by. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And if you haven't tried the TriArt Carbon Black, I know the Fluid Art Co. sells it. It's amazing, and get some, definitely. This one will be modified in the next video. Wait till you see what I do. Stay tuned. Bye, guys. All right, guys, that's it for me today. It's a pretty little painting, right? Like, the colors are amazing. All the different hues and shades. Really tickled pink with it. And it'll be interesting to see how many of you get mad at me in the next video when I decide to change it all up. But so stay tuned for that one in a few days. Until then, take care of each other. Peace and love to you all. And I'll see you soon. Peace out.